Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download Codex desktop app. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter ChatGPT Codex download. You'll get this first link, Codex desktop app. Select it. So Codex, it is a powerful coding agent. Here is a link, download for Windows. Select this link. Once it is downloaded, click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. So it is going to download the software from the Microsoft Store. So once the download is completed, it is going to auto launch the software. Sign into ChatGPT. It is asking. Okay, you can continue to sign in. So on this page, you can just enter your phone number details and click on continue to sign in. Let me enter mine. Then click on continue. So we are signed in with this email ID. Click on continue. Now it has given you a screen that is saying, "Hey, welcome to the ChatGPT desktop app. I'm going to ask you a few questions to help tailor things our work." Okay, so which best describes your work? You can select. So I'll select mine as engineering, data science. Okay, I'll just suggest personalized tasks. I'll untick this. If you want, you can go with it. So it has given you different options. I'll do skip. Go to ChatGPT. Click on finish setup. And this is how the interface of Codex look. Okay, I'll close the web browser. This is the application. Let's maximize the screen. Okay, you can start new chat. You can also set up a daily update. Okay, you can create a pull request, schedule plugins. Over here you get two options, one is the Codex and one is the ChatGPT. Create, learn and explore. Here you can build, debug and ship. Okay, you can explore and understand the code. You can build a new feature, app or tool. You can review code and suggest changes. You can fix issues and failures. You can also provide your project files through this. Select a project to run your chat in. Okay, and over here you get different options. So I'll close this for now. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.